and you just go shabu, shabu, shabu. That's what they call it, shabu, shabu. All right, this is Chris from Beers in Japan. Today I'm going to introduce you to shabu shabu. So I'm actually only eating one type of sauce, but soup. But normally they have two different types. You can have this little thing coming here in the middle, and it separates into two. And here's thinly sliced meat, and I'm using the spicy one, which I like the best. So what you do here is you just come in here, and you literally go like this. Put it in the soup, and you just go shabu, shabu, shabu. That's what they call it, shabu, shabu. So basically, you just cook it for just a little bit. You don't cook it for a long time. Then you come in here, and you grab it. That's actually well enough. That's more than you really need, because I'm taking the video. I cook it a little bit longer than you need. And you come here and you dip it into this sauce. This is a sesame sauce. You dip it in here, and then you eat. It's really, really good. If you ever get to Japan, or you have an opportunity in New York, or wherever you are in the world, if they have Japanese shabu shabu, give it a try.